Hello everyone, I am solving some questions from Trigonometric Identities, class 10th RS Aggarwal examples. So this is the example number 30. So we have to prove that this is not an identity. Okay, so we can take any angle to prove it. Suppose I took 30 degree, both sides we will take 30 degree and see. So this is cos square 30 minus sin square 30. Okay, I kept 30 both this side. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 square. So this is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. This is left side value. Okay. Right side check karte hain. So this is 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. Okay. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. Okay. So now we will simplify to see what is the value. So this is 2 by root 3 in numerator, this one, and denominator is 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, na? Root square is 3. So this will be 2 by root 3 by, what is 1 minus 1 by 3? 1 minus 1 by 3 is, if I do it here, 3 is LCM, correct? So it will be 3 minus 1, which is 2 by 3. So let me write it here, 2 by 3. So it is 2 by root 3 into, this denominator will flip, 3 by 2, and this will cancel. So this is 3 by root 3. And what is 3 by root 3? Everybody knows? Right? See, 3 ko I can write root 3 into root 3. And this is by root 3. So this will cancel. So answer is root 3. तो आप देखिए लेफ्ट साइड यू आर गेटिंग दिस 1 by 2 and right side we are getting root 3 with the same angle value. With the same angle value both side we are getting different values. So this is not an identity because we are getting different values both side. If it was an identity we should have same values. So this is question number 31. We are seeing sin square A cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b is this. So this is first I will solve first. So let me write down sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. Okay. So what we have to prove is sin square and sin square. We don't want cos square. Cos square we have to remove. So what is the formula for cos square? Cos square is 1 minus sin square A formula. And what is cos square B? 1 minus sin square B. Okay, if here is A, so this is A angle. If this is B, so this is B. So these are the formulas I will use here. So sin square A cos square is 1 minus sin square B minus, for this is sin square A into sin square B. Now what? This I will multiply inside this into this. So this is, write down sin square A minus sin square A sin square B minus of, this is multiplied inside. Okay? So this is sin square B and this minus will become plus sin square A into sin square B. Why this will become plus? Because of this minus which is in front. Okay. So now I think this and this will cancel. So what I am getting is sin square A minus sin square B. Hence proved. Easy था. इसका B part करेंगे. B part is also exactly similar. In B part, we need to prove tan square and tan square B. So we want to get rid of sec square. Correct? So let me write down what is the question. So second part question here, write down tan square A sec square b minus sec square a tan square b. This is the question. Okay. So we want to get rid of sec square. So do you remember this formula? 1 plus tan square a is sec square a, correct? And 1 plus tan square b is sec square b. Understood? So we have to get rid of sec square. So I will use these two formulas here. So let me write tan square a sec square b. Sec square b is this 1 plus tan square b minus, what is sec square a? 1 plus tan square a into tan square b. ठीक है? अच्छा, now we can multiply this inside. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? tan square a plus tan square a tan square b. Okay? Now this is multiplied inside. सामने minus है. It will be minus of tan square b minus of tan square a tan square b. Correct? So देखिए ये और ये सेम है, ये प्लस है, ये माइनस है ना? तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए और क्या बचा आपके पास? What is left over is tan square a minus tan square b. तो यही तो आपको प्रूफ करना था. तो दिस इज हेंस प्रूव्ड. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखिए 32 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, बहुत इजी है, टफ नहीं है. सो देखिए tan square a minus tan square b is this. तो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद tan square a minus tan square b. ठीक है, ओके. कैन वी राइट sin square a by cos square a minus this will be sin square a b by cos square b. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. So what will be LCM here? Cos square a into cos square b, and this into this and this into this. That's how we write. So this is sin square a minus, this is sin square a into cos square b minus sin square b into cos square a. ठीक है, यहाँ तक ओके है. पर वी नीड, देखिए जो प्रूफ करना है वो sin square a sin square b करना है आपको. You don't need this cos square b, you don't need cos square a, we don't need. तो somehow we have to eliminate these two. ठीक है, तो आपको फॉर्मूला याद है, cos square b is 1 minus sin square b, we know, and cos square a is what? 1 minus sin square a. Correct? These are the formulas. So I can use it here. तो लिखिए sin square a cos square b is 1 minus sin square b minus sin square b is, this is 1 minus sin square a, because cos square will become 1 minus sin square a divided by cos square a into cos square b. Correct? Okay, now multiply this with both inside and this with both inside. Okay? If you feel it is fast, you can just slow down the speed or pause it. Try on your own. Minus this into this is what? sin square b plus, सी देखिए ये फ्रंट में माइनस है, इसके वजह से क्या होगा, ये वाला will become plus into sin square b sin square a divided by cos square a cos square b. So what are you getting now? Anything is this and this are cancelling. So I am getting same thing what we have to prove. So sin square a minus sin square b divided by cos square a cos square b. Hence proved. First part is done. Now we have to do the second part. Let me show you. So this part is done. Now we need this part where both are in cos. Correct? So let's do the second one. So let me start question from here. Tan square A minus tan square B. So same thing, we can write sin square by cos square, and here sin square B by cos square B. Perfect. Now what is LCM? Cos square A, cos square B. And what do we do in subtraction? This into this, this into this. So it will be sin square A cos square B minus sin square B cos square A. Correct? Now what we have to prove is only in terms of cos. Correct? So I will remove this sin square and I will remove this. How to remove? Sin square is 1 minus cos square A cos square B minus, how to remove this? 1 minus cos square B. ध्यान रखिए, here angle is B, so I am taking B. ये ध्यान रखिए. Here angle is A, correct? That's why I have taken A. So this is cos square A, ये वाला मैंने copy किया, divided by cos square A cos square B. ठीक है? Now what? Now we have to just multiply this into this, this into this. So it will be cos square B minus cos square A cos square B minus what? इसको multiply करेंगे इससे और इससे. So it is minus, let me write a little bit properly, minus cos square A plus cos square A cos square B by cos square A cos square B. So I think this minus and this plus will cancel. So we are getting cos square B minus cos square A by cos square B. Hence proved. So this is what we were supposed to prove. So this is hence proved. Now there are some more examples in R.S. Aggarwal based on identities. So let me do those questions. So these are some more questions in R.S. Aggarwal book. Examples based on identities. So these type of questions are based on elimination of some numbers. So they are very important questions. Okay. So if you see carefully, they have given x is equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta. Y is a cos theta plus b sin theta. Okay. And what we have to prove is this: x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So let me start here. X square plus y square. So what is x is this sin theta plus b cos theta square plus what is this is y. So it is a cos theta minus, this is minus b sin theta square. And what is a plus b square? Many students do mistake here. A plus b square is a square b square plus 2ab. And what is a minus b square? Formula, everybody. A square b square minus 2ab. So याद रखिए, whenever we have a square, we open, there are three terms: a square, b square plus 2ab. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So like this, actually there are three terms. Okay, this is the formula. So whenever you are doing solution, you are supposed to explain the formula. Okay, here it will be a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus, ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट वाला हो गया स्क्वायर, ये फर्स्ट वाले का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया, ये वाला टर्म till here. Now I will do square of this. So a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab cos theta sin theta. ठीक है, ये सेकेंड टर्म का हो गया. Okay, do you feel anything is cancelling? This is with plus and this is minus. So these two are exactly same. They will cancel. ठीक है? Yes or no? Okay. Can I combine these two? This and this. Can I combine? है ना? We can write it together. So let me write a square sin square theta, a square cos square theta. ठीक है? Now I can combine these two, this and this. So b square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta. Can I take this a square common? So this is sin square plus cos square. Here can I take b square common? So I am getting cos square plus sin square. Now anybody will help me? What can we do now? What is sin square plus cos square? Is 1 only. What is this? 1 only. Correct? So can I write a square into 1 and b square into 1, which is a square plus b square. Hence proved. यही तो आपको prove करना था. Correct? This is what we were supposed to prove. See here. This was the question to be proved. Hence we proved it. Next question देखिए. ये है क्वेश्चन, बहुत इजी था क्वेश्चन है. x is equal to given a sin theta and y is given b tan theta, and we have to prove a square by x square, b square by y square is 1. We have to prove it. So we need a by x. To see here, can I take a by x? No? Can I divide by x both sides? So 1 is equal to a by x into sin theta. Sin theta we can take other side. Correct? So 1 by sin theta is a by x. So what is a by x? Is cosec theta, because 1 by sin is cosec theta. This is what we got. Now we need b by y. B by y. Can I divide by y both sides? So this is cancelling. So 1 is equal to b by y tan theta. Okay. Can I take tan theta there? Okay. Or either you take there, or can I divide tan theta both sides? So 1 by tan theta is cot theta, and this is cancelling b by y. So this is what I got. Okay. Now what? What can we do? Think. देखिए a by x है, तो can I write cosec theta square minus b by y is cot theta square, and we know this is what? एक फॉर्मूला है 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Okay, so if I take it there, the formula itself says cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. This is a formula. Please memorize this formula. So this is 1 itself. So hence proved. ठीक है, easy था. One more question. So this is example 3 from R.S. Aggarwal. So they have given tan theta plus sin theta is n. Then tan theta minus sin theta is n. And we have to prove m square minus n square is equal to under root of 4mn. Okay. So let's start from m minus n square. What do we get? Okay. So I will do left hand side here, and we will try right hand side here. We will see. Okay. M क्या है? M is tan theta plus sin theta. Correct? This is given here. Here n क्या है? tan theta minus sin theta square. ठीक है, अब हम खोलेंगे a plus b square is tan square theta sin square theta plus 2 tan theta sin theta. ठीक है, माइनस, चलिए माइनस करते हैं. removing this line. Minus is, what is this? Tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 tan theta into Sine theta, correct? Okay, is it clear? Okay, now what can we do? Tell me. देखिए ये माइनस है यहाँ पर और ये है ब्रैकेट, ठीक है? तो कैन आई रिमूव ब्रैकेट? ठीक है, तो 2 tan थीटा साइन थीटा, आई विल रिमूव ब्रैकेट. ध्यान से देखिए क्या होगा, माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2 tan थीटा साइन थीटा. क्या हुआ, साइंस विल चेंज, दिस प्लस बिकेम माइनस एंड दिस बिकेम प्लस. आई थिंक tan स्क्वायर इज कैंसलिंग, साइन स्क्वायर is cancelling, है ना, plus. So we are getting pretty much neat answer. So what we are getting, 2 tan theta sin theta and 2 tan theta. So I am getting 4 tan theta sin theta. This is my left hand side. Okay, my left hand side is ready. Let's try right hand side. What we are getting, ठीक है? तो right hand side पे we have under root of 4 mm. तो let me do under root of m. m क्या था guys? m था tan theta plus sin theta and n क्या था? tan theta minus sin theta, correct? What is a plus b and a minus b? What it is? A square minus b square. Everybody knows, correct? A square minus b square. So this will be tan square minus sin square. We already know it. Okay, इसको हम थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, थोड़ा सा, लिटिल बिट. tan क्या होता है गाइस? sin स्क्वायर बाई cos स्क्वायर, करेक्ट? tan स्क्वायर विल बी sin स्क्वायर बाई cos स्क्वायर माइनस sin स्क्वायर. अब सोचिए और क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. कैन आई टेक cos स्क्वायर एज LCM? ठीक है, तो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग हियर इज sin स्क्वायर minus sin square cos square, correct? Understood? So what will you get here is 4 under root, sin square will be common by cos square, correct? sin square common ले लिया, तो अंदर क्या बचा, देखिए इधर 1 और इधर cos square. What is 1 minus cos square? What is 1 minus cos square? I think by now everybody knows this is nothing but what? Sin square is copied. So this is nothing but sin square by cos square. I hope you understood. Now we will take under root of it. ठीक है, तो what will be under root of it? 4 under root of sin square and sin square will be sin theta into sin theta and under root of this is cos theta, correct? What is sin by cos? Is nothing but tan, and this sign is still there. Okay, so can you see what we are getting on right hand side? Okay, isn't it same as we got on left hand side, right? So left hand side is same as right hand side, hence proved. That means the question has been proved. ठीक है, just one more question we will see. ये बहुत ही easy और अच्छा question है, ठीक है? तो they have given sec theta plus tan theta is m and you have to prove this part. This part you need to prove this one. So let's start solving. So we need to prove m square by m square plus 1. So let me simplify. M is what? Sec theta plus tan theta square minus 1. This is given m. Sec theta plus tan theta plus 1. So what will you get? Sec square plus tan square plus 2 sec theta tan theta minus 1 by what will you get? Sec square plus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 1. Correct? Okay. Now let's simplify. Do you remember 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta? Do you remember this? Correct? So here I can eliminate sec square, correct? Sec square I can write 1 plus tan square, and here also 1 plus tan square. So let me write 1 plus tan square, and this tan square was already there, plus 2 sec theta tan theta minus 1, correct? Divided by this sec square I am converting into 1 plus tan square plus 2 sec theta tan theta minus plus 1. Here is plus 1. Correct? So anything is cancelling. So here this 1 is cancelling. This 1 is cancelling. And what is this plus this? I am getting 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. Okay? And what we are getting here? Let me do it. Divided by, we are getting 1 plus 1 is 2. And what is this? Plus 2 tan square theta plus, what is this? 2 sec theta into tan theta. Now you can see we can further simplify it. Okay? What can we do? I think in numerator 2 tan theta is common. आपको दिख रहा है ये tan square है और ये tan into sec है. ठीक है? So I am getting tan theta plus sec theta left over by what is common here is only 2. I am getting 1 plus tan square plus sec theta tan theta. Correct? Okay. Can we do something about it? What is 1 plus tan square? तो देखिए this 2 and 2 cancel. So I am getting tan theta plus sec theta by, what is this plus this? Is nothing but sec square plus sec theta into tan theta. Correct? Okay. What do you think? Anything is coming common? Plus sec theta by, what is coming common here? Sec theta, and we are getting sec plus tan. Okay? अब सोचिए और क्या हो सकता है इसमें, और भी कुछ कैंसिल होगा. I think this and this will cancel. Tan plus sec, tan plus sec. Correct? Okay. So we still getting something. We are getting tan by sec. तो इसका क्या करें? tan को can I write sin by cos. ठीक है? ध्यान से देखिए, ध्यान से. तो sin by cos. And what is sec? 1 by cos. Correct? How to simplify it? Numerator we write as it is, into this will flip. It will be cos by 1. This will flip and come. This will cancel. Okay? So what we will get here is equal to sin theta. So we proved it. Correct? So this was a little bit lengthy, but very good question. So share it with your friends and do it again. Bye everyone. See you next video.